Hi, sorry. Hi all. Welcome to Mobile Apps Testing Online Training. This is Prasad. I will be taking care of your mobile app testing sessions. And today demo, I will be talking about what is mobile application testing, why I am looking for this particular course, and what is the benefits I can get with this course. And also I will be talking about the contents, what we will be learning as part of the mobile app testing course. Let me start. So why I want to learn this course? This is the first question comes into my mind. So when I saw that mobile application testing, why I want to learn this course and why everyone is running behind mobile application testing or why everyone is running behind mobile application development. So everyone knows that, like, if you see the current situation, current industry, everyone is talking about mobile application testing. So why? What is the benefits I will get as a personal? Let me talk about that, why I want to learn this course. First thing is I wanted to tell you that statistics, this is given by the one of the survey. In 2013, 70 billion mobile apps are downloaded into the smartphones. Just imagine 70 billion mobile apps are downloaded into the mobile smartphones. And the forecast for 2017, it could be 2000 billion plus. That means, like, day by day these mobile apps are increasing. So when there is any development is happening, obviously there will be lot of testing opportunities. So when you see this forecast in 2017, there will be lot of n number of mobile apps are coming. So obviously we will also get more opportunities as a tester into mobile application testing. So when you see this industry, it is growing day by day in mobile apps. And also let me tell you one thing, one more example. Say for example, like couple of years back, if you want to send some payment to your friend or well-wisher, so what I was done is, like, I opened my laptop and then open that bank website and then send the money. But now what is happening? When I want send money today, I will take my smartphone and then I will try to send the money through my smartphone itself. That means everyone, what is happening is, right, each and every organization is moving their application to the mobile world. Not only current, next generation is completely into mobile application. When any organization is planning to implement their business in mobile applications, means we have opportunities in both development as well as testing. So when you say that testing means, as a tester, I have to test my mobile application in various platforms, various mobile devices. I will be talking about that in detail going forward, what are all the devices is available, how to test with the different devices. We will discuss each and everything practically. And one more thing, why I want to learn this course. One more, it is very easy to learn. Very easy to learn. Why I'm saying that very easy to learn means, right? Now, everyone knows that how to use the smartphone. Like nowadays, like everyone will know that how to use my smartphone. If you know how to use smartphones means you are eligible for your tester position. We are doing testing. So when you want to do, when you are doing your testing and if you know how to use your smartphone, that means you are good. You are good for your mobile application tester. But yes, you need some skills with respect to testing, with respect to mobile application testing. You need some skills. Those skills I will be talking in the next slides. And any prerequisites do I require for this course? Absolutely no. If you are a fresher and if you are just starting your career, or if you are a experienced person, yes, anyone can learn this course. And let me tell you what is mobile application testing. Right? Here, mobile application testing is nothing but it is similar to our software testing, but the testing will be done in the mobile device. Right? So software testing only, mobile application testing is nothing but it's software testing, but we are doing our testing activities on a mobile device. That is called mobile application testing. Okay. Now, one more question come into my mind is, what are all the benefits I will get from this course? So, for this course is, let me tell you one more thing. This course is scheduled for 18 hours. This course schedule is 18 hours, and each and every recorded videos will be shared with you for your reference. All the 18-hour videos will be shared with you for your reference. And also, once you are done with this course, you are eligible for any mobile application tester position. And one more thing I wanted to tell you is, after end of this course, you should be in a position to understand different kinds of mobile application. So we are having different kinds of mobile applications such as native application, hybrid application, and mobile web application. So you can understand what do you mean by native application, what do you mean by mobile web application, right? What do you mean by hybrid application, and what kind of situations I can suggest my business with these applications, right? You should be in a position to tell them. We will be discussing each and every app in detail, hybrid, native, as well as mobile web. And also, you should be in a position to write the strategy. See, what do you mean by strategy? Let me tell you one thing. This is my personal experience. Strategy is very, very important for your mobile applications, especially mobile applications. When you talk about your web applications, strategy is important, I agree. But mobile applications even important. The reason is, when you talk about your mobile applications and you got any application for your testing, when you got any application, mobile application for your testing, right, I should have some strategy. Which devices I have to select for my testing? When you see in the market, day by day, like n number of devices are coming into the market. If I tested my application with 1 to 2 devices, probably right, while launching, I may get one more device into the market. So it is very difficult. So what you have to do is, before start of your mobile application testing activities, you should have some strategy, nothing but your mobile application test plan. So you should have a strong strategy for it. This is very important for any mobile application. We will be learning how to create a strategy for it. Fine. And one more thing, you should be learning web services. That means you will be comfortable with your web services. If you see in the current situation, current market, everyone is talking about web services because web services are very secure, very reliable. And if you talk about mobile applications, if you talk about your web applications, everywhere, right, business is looking for web services. We will be talking about these web services. What do you mean by web services? As a tester, what I will test in the web services, we will be discussing. Let me tell you one simple example for our web services. If we go to any website, right, if you go to any website where you can buy some products, there you can see that PayPal button. That means this website guys are not developing that PayPal button. What they are doing is, they are using PayPal service. They are using PayPal service. So we will be talking about these web services. What is web services? What are all the different types of web services? And also we will be learning as a tester what I will test in the web services. You will be in a position to understand all these concepts at the end of the course. And one more thing, here we will be learning mobile application testing for both real devices as well as emulator. And let me tell you one thing here, emulator means, emulator is nothing but it's a virtual device, right? Now you can ask me like why virtual device is required. So here, like when I want to test my application, to test a single application, client will not provide all the mobile devices. To test one XYZ application, client will not provide Android 4.0, Android 4.2, iOS 6.0, iOS 5.0, like this. So it is not possible to provide each and every device for your testing purpose because it is expensive. To test a single application, no client will provide all the physical devices. So my next option would be emulator. Emulator is nothing but virtual device. So how to create that virtual device and then how to start testing activities with your virtual device will be discussed here. So at the end of the course, you should be good with your real devices as well as emulator. I will show you how to test that application in the physical devices by connecting the physical devices in my laptop, and I will show you how you can execute your test cases and then how to take the screenshots for each and every screen. I will show you. You can see my machine, what I'm running, right? And also I can show you test execution in your virtual device, nothing but your emulator. We will talk about that. And you will be learning both your Android and iOS architecture. Meaning, now, even though I'm a tester, but I should be in a position to understand what is the Android application, how that application will be developed, and what is iOS application, how that application will be developed. So from the testing point of view only, we will be learning this Android and iOS architecture. Yes. One more thing is we will be learning some cloud-based tools. Like now, if I wanted to do my mobile application testing, it is not possible to maintain my infrastructure, right? Just imagine like my organization like is not allowing to maintain the infrastructure. Just assume that. So such kind of situation, what I can do is I can go to any third-party vendors and I can get my devices for the testing purpose. We have different vendors, Device Anywhere, C-Test, right? We have different vendors. We will be learning how to perform the testing activities by using this cloud. We will talk about that. Okay. And also we will be learning what is automation testing with respect to mobile application. Probably, right, everyone knows that like how to do that automation testing for web application. But here we will be learning how to perform automation testing for your mobile applications. So end of the course, you should be comfortable with all these points. Okay, fine. Let me talk about the contents. What contents we will be discussing in the next 18 hours. Let's talk about that. I will start with very basic. What is mobile application testing? Introduction to mobile application testing. What is mobile application testing? I will talk about that. Then I will talk about the different mobile applications available in the market, available in the mobile world. What do you mean by native applications? What do you mean by hybrid applications? What is the difference between native and hybrid applications? And what kind of situations I can go with my native application? When I can go ahead with my hybrid applications? Right? We will talk about that. Then we will be talking about the challenges. What kind of challenges you will face in your mobile application testing? When you are doing your testing for your mobile applications, what challenges you may face. We will be discussing in detail about the challenges in your mobile application testing. And we will be talking about that emulators, simulators. We will talk about that what is emulator and what is simulator. So let me give you the definition right now. Emulator is nothing but you are creating that virtual device with the help of hardware. That means you are giving some specifications. Based on the specifications, your platform is creating the virtual device. And when you talk about your simulator, right? Simulator is nothing but you are creating your virtual device with the help of software. We will talk about that. And here we will take one application and we will perform the test execution for my Android platform. So Android mobile application testing. We will do the complete life cycle of your Android mobile application testing. What is Android? We will talk about that version history of Android. We will talk about that architecture, how that application will be developed, and then how to perform the testing activities in the Android, how to create that virtual device for the Android, and how to execute the test cases for the Android real device as well as emulate. We will talk about that. Then iOS mobile application testing. Now I have a mobile app for my iOS platform. How to perform the testing activities for my iOS mobile app? We will be talking about that. Here we are concentrating on Android and iPhone. Now, as we discussed, we will be talking about the test execution for both emulators and the real device. And also, we will be learning how to track the defects for my mobile application. I am doing my test execution. While doing my test execution for my mobile application, I found a few defects. How to track the defects? We will discuss about that. Then we are also having a cloud-based mobile testing solutions as we discussed earlier. We have leading tools in the market, as per my understanding, are Device Anywhere and CTest. I will give the introduction to both the tools, both Device Anywhere and CTest. Introduction will be done in this course. And also we will be talking about that automation testing with respect to mobile application, and as part of this mobile application testing we will be learning a tool called CTest automation tool, which is used to create your automation test cases. Now you can, and one more thing I wanted to tell you with this CTest is, CTest can be used as a plugin to your QTP to perform the complete mobile application in automation testing. If you are planning to do your automation testing by using your QTP tool, you have to use one of the plugin, either CTest or Perfecto. So you can use this CTest as a plugin to your QTP to perform the complete mobile application testing automation activities. Hope everyone is clear. Thank you.